rehearsal, I did this dancing class. I wanted to look at different dances to get some more inspiration.
So I really like watching dance because I always kind of create a story in my head about what's happening during the piece. And I'm always amazed by the kind of the skills of the dancers. I'm always like, wow, I wish I could do that.
Watching dance performances makes you come out and feel all excited and makes you want to dance yourself.
I like the challenge of watching dance, a non-verbal way of communicating, but you get so much enjoyment from that.
Funny, nice, hilarious.
It's the one activity that brings the most joy to people. Believe it or not, if you watch dance, you actually use up calories.
It's just magical. Dance is something special. It just draws out something within you.
Gwybodaeth mwy am y corff, sut mae pobl gallu defnyddio'r corff i wneud emosiynau o'n i ddim yn credu bod gallu digwydd.
Dance isn't just about performance, it's about so many things you learn about how to be, hopefully, a better human.
My buzz is my drive, is why I do what I do. For me, being in the studio and rehearsing is why I get up in the morning every day.
It's given me a whole different career, so risk going to see it because it might change your life.
If you enjoy being joyous and happy, go watch dance. You know, it'll uplift your spirit.